Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script on the theme Time Management. Every moment we receive in life is precious. Let us take a minute to appreciate the gift of time. Let us thank to God for this precious gift. A very pleasant morning to one and all present here. This is Minakshi Chaudhary from class 8, standing before you to present today's morning assembly on the theme Time Management. Time, the one thing in life that flies and never get back. So it is important we understand its value and try to get more done in less time. With this, let us start today's morning assembly with God's prayer first. Everybody join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, pledge is an oath which reminds us that we have some duties and responsibilities towards our country. So let us take a vow with Karthik from class 8. After pledge, sometimes we use time wisely or misuse it, but the time keeps on moving and doesn't wait for anyone. Dear friends, time is equally allotted to everyone, and what we do with this time is totally up to us. Time management always works towards productivity as more work is done in less time. And let us move to the next part, that is thought of the day. For this, I would like to invite on stage Junaid from class 8. Good morning, everyone. My name is Junaid. Thought of the day is time is free, but it's priceless. You can't own it, but you can use it. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. Once you have lost it, you can never get it back. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you, Jeanette, for such a nice thought. Newspapers provide information and general knowledge. That is, news related to the country's economic condition, sports, entertainment, trade, and commerce. But in the hustle bustle of life, we don't get time to read the newspaper. Let us get today's news update. For this, I would like to invite on stage Noor from class 8. Thank you very much for today's news update. Just the thought of having too little time to complete work is enough to make us feel stressed. While there are so many ways of improving time, let us know that why time management is important. And next, I would like to invite Veer from class 8 to speak on the topic time management. Thank you very much, Veer, for this speech. We can't build up our vocabulary if we don't meet any new words. And to meet new words, we must read more. We must read daily. As usual, we have an opportunity to add a new word in our vocabulary. For word of the day, I would like to invite on stage Ripu Sudan from class 8. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ripu Sudan. Word of the day is ordeal, which means a very unpleasant or different experience. Synonyms of this word are trial, crucible, distress, and antonyms are happiness, peace, comfort. I'm using this word in a sentence. The ordeal has affected her mental and physical health. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much for enhancing our vocabulary. It's very important for us to stay in touch with all the affairs in India and around the world. Let us test our knowledge about the recent happenings in the country and across the globe. For today's GK quiz, I would like to invite on stage Romil from class 8. Thank you very much for testing and enhancing our knowledge. The national anthem presents a country's identity to the world, and it acts as an instrument of unity among its citizens. Let us sing the symbol of pride, national anthem, together. And after national anthem, lack of direction, not lack of time, is the problem. We all have 24-hour days. Why not we make a plan of one day's routine and examine every night the results obtained? Let us pay attention towards time management. And here we end today's morning assembly. Thank you to all for your cooperation. Have a nice day ahead.